What if your government ran itself using artificial intelligence and your taxi didn't touch the ground because it flew you through the sky? In the next few years, the United Arab Emirates, UAE, won't just have smart cities, it will have AI-managed government systems and commercial flying taxi networks, decades ahead of almost every other country. Today we're breaking down how this is happening, why it matters, and what the global impact will be by 2026 and beyond. Welcome back to Mind Facts, where we explore the most incredible technology shaping our future. If you love cutting-edge advancements in AI, smart governments, and futuristic transport, hit subscribe and let's dive in. UAE's AI government revolution. The UAE isn't just experimenting with AI, it's embedding it into the core of national governance. At the World Government Summit 2025, the UAE showcased its leadership in AI governance, ethics, and policy frameworks designed not only for the Middle East, but as a global model for AI-enabled decision-making. Dubai recently approved the AI Infrastructure Empowerment Platform, a secure digital backbone that lets government entities deploy AI systems faster, safely, and cost-efficiently, accelerating everything from healthcare systems to smart transport networks. Ministries like the UAE Foreign Affairs are now demonstrating digital transformation programs at global tech events, turning bureaucratic services into fast, proactive digital processes for citizens and businesses alike. This isn't theory, it's a practical roadmap for future government services around the world. Flying taxis and urban air mobility. Now here's the part that looks like sci-fi coming true. One of the world's first commercial flying taxi services is on track to launch in Dubai by 2026 through partnerships with companies like Joby Aviation. The UAE is building hybrid heliports capable of handling both helicopters and electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, a key infrastructure breakthrough for urban air travel. Advanced simulation-based regulatory frameworks and pilot zones are already underway in Abu Dhabi, meaning air taxi operations aren't just planned, they're being tested and governed now. Major test flights have already taken place in Abu Dhabi with eVTOL models designed for passenger transport, signaling a massive shift in urban mobility technology. Imagine booking a flying taxi through an app, bypassing highway traffic completely, and rising above the skyline in minutes. That future is closer than most people think. Autonomous and smart transport. But that's not all. The UAE is also testing ground-based autonomous taxis in Dubai, planning a full commercial rollout by 2026 as part of its self-driving transport ecosystem. From self-driving cars to air taxis overhead, the UAE's smart transport network could radically redefine how cities function, with AI optimizing routes, reducing accidents, and dramatically cutting commute times. Global impact and future vision. So what does all this mean for the rest of the world? The UAE could become a global model for AI-driven governance, showing countries how to integrate ethics, transparency, and innovation into national AI strategies. Commercial flying taxis could spark similar adoption around the world, especially in dense urban centers looking to solve traffic crises and emissions problems. Urban air mobility and AI. Regulation frameworks being developed now could shape future global aviation standards for decades. This is more than just technology. It's a glimpse into the next era of human mobility and government scalability. So what do you think? Would you trust an AI government system? Or take a flying taxi over traffic? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this futuristic deep dive, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video on tomorrow's Tech Today. Mind Facts, where the future becomes reality.